Hello guys, I'm Ahalin Quest to tell you in this tutorial how to jailbreak at your home of any iPhones without any hassles. Yes, take any operating system, either it is Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 7. Don't worry, on a PC or laptop you can apply. Just we'll go for an administration of a 3U tool, and in 3U tools there is especially one let me open these tools quickly, guys. It's a little bit taking time to open, don't worry. Now it has been opened, guys. Here this PC is working a little bit slow, but I would like to show you how you easily can jailbreak at your home. If you are unable to especially jailbreak, here is option jailbreak now. If we click on here, then configuration downloading has been installed. Now here we'll go for USB jailbreaks, and here is the USB. When we start, then it will be a complete installation of Checkra1n USB bootable flash pen drive. Take in a small USB especially pen drive, insert and go for a start to making. Right now I'm not going to make so because it will take a much more time. I have already created. Only keep folding 11s, because we will have to pick a boot menu of this computer. Now finally we come on a boot menu. Now here we will have to pick a especially pen drive. So yes, it's a HP, so hit this ones. So now we are on here. Let's check it out further. Now see here, we will have to wait. Don't do anything. Don't do anything, guys. Here. Now here we will have to go on a especially option. In option, hit this ones. We will select the especially allow on tested this, and then we will go for safe mode, leave it verbose. Of course we will pick this one. Skip all BPR, we will select these ones, and then of course we will go on a back option, hit this one. Then we will go for a start, and we will go for hit this one. So now it's a starting restart, so just we will go for it's in now recovery mode. It's a switching on the recovery modes, don't worry. Now it's finally in the recovery mode. Now we will have to especially see here, this is a 6, so we will have to, there will be instruction on here. See, press and hold the side and home button together. Then we will have to release the side button, but keep holding the home button. So we will check it out. Just we will go for here both, and we will go for a start. So what we will do, guys, here just hit the enter, and we will go for here, keep holding. Then we will have to release this and keep holding on off key till it's not going in a DFU mode. So successfully it's done, guys. Here now we can see here, yes, it's a booting finally. So this jailbreak completely has been done. What do you say? Easily at your home you can jailbreak, and you can bypass the iCloud activation lock links with the help of jailbreaks if you would like to. Otherwise, of course, you can go especially with another method also. That's the console method that I have uploaded so many times. It's a permanent method, but this is not a permanent method. Successfully we have done on a here. So just we will hit this one enter. Now we have done. So we will exit from here. So just let me exit by switching off. So see, the finally we have done a jailbreaks, and now yes, we will go for here. So hit this one. So now see this, and of course this phone has been jailbroken. So there will be no any Apple ID and password valid everything. So now see, this jailbreak has been started here. So how easily we have done it? This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Further any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query. So thank you very much in that. Now we will have to restart the PC and the remote. So thank you.